Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video we discuss about custom data lookups. If you want to learn ServiceNow in Hindi, please go to this channel ServiceNow Helpdesk Hindi. All information is there in a very crisp and Hindi language. Thank you. So let's start with today's video. This is demo. So first of all, what is a data lookup? So now let me show you. This is my table, sample data. Let me open one of the record. So here look at these three fields. I'll select impact, then I will select urgency, then the priority is coming automatically. It is not happening via script, but it is happening via data lookup. So yes, you can create such type of data lookups where you have to populate a certain field based on certain metrics. So in order to create a data lookup, you need two things. The very first one is the data lookup definition and the data lookup table. Okay, in data lookup table you see all the combinations are here. Total 9 combinations are there. So as soon as we do changes here based on these 9 combinations, we get the priority. Okay, so that will happen in the data lookup table, and here the data lookup table is priority data lookup for sample data. This is a custom table. It means you can create any number of table for data lookup based on different tables or requirements. Okay, this is for sample data. The only condition for data lookup table is this. Let me show you the definition of this table. Each and every lookup table must extend to this table. Then only the work will be done. Okay, that is data lookup matcher rules. Once you provide the lookup data, then you have to create the definition under data lookup definition table. So from where we get this, come here, write down data lookup. So under system policy you have data lookup definitions. Okay, so right now in this instance there are 4 definitions. You see one for our table as well, that is sample data. Let me open this. As soon as we open it, first of all you have to provide the name. Then you have the source table, that is the table where we want to process the things like sample data here. Okay, then the matcher table. Matcher table is the data lookup table where we have added all the metrics. So the same here. Okay, priority data lookup for sample data. You see the same here in the matcher table. And then you have these 3 options when you want to do it: on change, on insert, or on update. It's up to your requirement. Okay, at the bottom you see 2 related list. The very first one is matcher field definition, where you have to specify the fields which are going to change, that is which the user will change, right? Here these fields are urgency and impact. So if you remember, we are changing what? Impact and urgency, right? Then the priority is changing automatically. So that's what we have to configure. And then we have to provide the setter field. Setter fields means which is going to change, that is the priority. If we open this, here you have to select only 2 things: source table field and matcher table field. So in both the tables we have the field named as priority only, right? Okay, and then you have to check this always replace. If you want to change the value every time, it means the processing will done on any change on these 2 values. Okay, so in that case you have to provide always replace. If your requirement is something else, then you can remove this. So this is it for this definition. I hope you understand it pretty well. I hope you are getting all this. In case you have any doubt, let us know in the comment sections, and subscribe both of these channels if you want to learn in Hindi and English as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.